All right, students, the big moment is here. Maryam Taufique would like to share a few words about what's going to be happening next week, inshallah. Maryam, take it away.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. As you all know, the elections are right around the corner, and in a few days, our country will be electing a new president. Even though many of us cannot vote, it is our civic duty to pay attention to what's going around us and to be aware of current events and important decisions made by the government. Most of us will be voting in the next few elections and need to be making the best decisions possible. The 19th Amendment, or suffrage, is especially an important right. Women were finally allowed to vote. Because we have this freedom, we should use this opportunity to vote for a worthy president. If we are politically smart, we can make the right decisions. By voting, we are contributing our idea of what the government should look like. Who we vote for is helping to decide the future of the country. The amount of attention we give to the election now is going to impact us in the future. Now, Afseen will be talking about a school-wide poll that will be happening.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Afseen. In honor of the 2020 elections happening on Tuesday, November 3rd, QCA will be conducting an online poll. This is to let the student body of QCA to predict who will be our president for the next 4 years. Please be sure to come to Assembly Tuesday morning to participate in our school elections. The results will be shared Wednesday morning during Assembly and Wednesday meeting the day after that. And participating in school events and activities demonstrates civic duty as well. Retouching on the 19th Amendment that Maryam has previously explained, I feel that this amendment is important to us, not only as an all-girls school, but also as a Muslim all-girls school, to make our voices heard as the future of our country.
Thank you very much, Afseen and Maryam. That was like beautiful. You spoke very confidently. MashaAllah, really, really proud of you. And girls, all of you are not going to vote. You're not eligible to vote yet, but definitely you know people who are eligible to vote. So like the girls mentioned, it is part of our civic responsibility, not only just as an American that we go to the polls, right, but also as a Muslim. In order to take care of our interests, right, we have to put our voices out there. One of the ways that I look at voting is that politicians, all politicians, right, they know who votes and who does not vote. If we are a voting community and if they know that we vote, that we go to the polls, they're going to come for us, right? And they're going to try and find out what what our needs are, right? But if they realize that we're not a voting community, they're going to ignore us. That's basically a simple formula, okay? So like the girls mentioned, this is one of the, I think this is going to be one of the most critical times in our lifetime in terms of elections. So going to the polls is really, really important. And Tuesday we'll open the polls, inshallah. It will be on Sycamore, all right? And you will, it's mock, of course, all right? And we'll see what the school thinks who's going to be the next president for the United States, inshallah. All right, Aisha, you want to say anything else?
Yes, Sister Fawzi, you put it beautifully. We are so excited. I know that you guys are all young, and even though you're young doesn't mean that it's not important to, it doesn't matter about what's going on and that you don't have to pay attention. Please make sure that you are following, following with the news and current events, because eventually the decisions that are going to be made today are going to affect you in your future. And a few years from now, you will be able to vote. So it's very important because all of these decisions are going to affect you, your family, your children. And as Sister Fawzia said, we are Muslims and we need to stand united, inshallah. So may Allah protect all of our Muslim ummah, especially with, everything that's happening around the world. And may Allah, make things happen for the best, inshallah. So we cannot wait to have our little mock trial on Tuesday. We're excited. So let's see what the school thinks, who's going to be our next commander-in-chief for the next 4 years, inshallah.
Inshallah. All right, so really excited for Tuesday. And with that, let's close assembly and roll into our first period classes. Make sure to be on time for your art classes, all right? Okay.